Mommy, how do you do? I'd like to sing a song for you. The song that I would like to sing is about the shape of everything.
That's our boy!
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry I'm so late. Pardonnez-moi.